Make a mind in your mind that will shine, we all find. Really, dear fellow learners, the nation finds such a human being who will shine, who will enlighten himself, his family, his society, his nation, even the whole world. But dear learners, you can't become such a human being overnight. You have to study on and on. Anyway, my dear learners, are you okay in the situation of COVID-19? I am Insaf Ahmed Abdullah, the assistant headmaster of Balijuri FM High School. I have again appeared before you with the third part of the topic of today I will discuss about the changing sentence of simple, compound and complex. I will write an example on the board. Here I have written a complex sentence. If you want to change this sentence into simple and compound, how? We know only one clause, only one independent clause is consistent in a simple sentence. But here we find two clauses. We will keep unchanged one clause and that clause should be independent clause. And we may keep unchanged this clause. He kept his I have written this clause, but you have to change this clause. You have to use such a phrase which expresses the meaning of though, and that is in spite of or despite. Then we should not use the subject, we should use the non-finite verb, new, of new. New is a finite, we have to change it. Knowing the sentence bears the same meaning existed in the complex. Changing a complex sentence into compound is very easy because we find two clauses in both of the sentences. We get one clause, we get one clause. We also use these clauses in the compound sentence. He knew, we also need two clauses in a compound. Just we need a conjunction, coordinating conjunction in a compound. What conjunction should be used here if we want to keep the same meaning existed in the complex? We should use such a conjunction which also will express the same meaning. Here, as there is though, we have to use but. Then we have got the compound sentence. We may give another example. Dear learners, can you tell what kind of sentence it is? It is a compound sentence because there are two clauses and a conjunction and a coordinating conjunction, and bear in mind, in a compound sentence, if the first subject and second subject is similar, we may use subject here or not. It's not mandatory. We may use I. I want the I and I enjoy the scenic beauty of nature. We may not use. If we change it into simple, we have to keep unchanged these clause, and we should make this clause into a phrase. So we have to make a non-finite verb from point. Going is the non-finite form of point. There and should not be used, and we will use a subject here. I. Next clause. Going there, I enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. Here we have got a simple sentence because it has only one independent clause. And in a compound sentence, there are two clauses, two independent clauses. Now we have to change it into complex. Here we mean, here the sentence expresses the duration, the time when we enjoy, when I went there, I enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. So here in the complex we use when as a subordinating conjunction. When we also leave two clauses in a complex sentence. I went there. Here you must use two subjects, maybe similar or not, maybe same or not. When I went there, I enjoyed. That's the way we have also got a complex sentence from a compound. Here, if we analyze these three sentences, what expression? I went there and enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. It's a compound. We get one coordinating conjunction, two independent clause, but in a simple, we just see an independent clause. Here it's the phrase, I enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. It's a clause and it's an independent clause. In the complex sentence, we also get two clauses, an independent clause, a dependent clause, and we have a subordinating conjunction. And the three sentences express the same meaning. Here we see, I went there and enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. Here also expresses going there. When I went there, I enjoyed the scenic beauty of nature. Here also expresses when I went there. All the three sentences so express the same meaning, but they are of different structures. That's the way you should exercise more and more at your home. No more today. Allah Hafiz.